How to buy Bitcoin in India. Follow these simple steps to purchase BTC instantly and securely. To begin, download Zengo from the App Store or Google Play and create an account on Zengo. A link to a tutorial video on how to create an account on Zengo is in the video description. Open the Zengo app, tap Buy, and search for Bitcoin. Enter your desired amount and tap Continue. Choose your preferred payment method. For this example, we'll use Google Pay, then select your preferred provider. Enter your billing address. Make sure it matches a country that's supported. In some cases, you may be asked to provide additional documentation. Next, review the final price quote and tap Buy. That's it. Your purchase is on its way. Why is Zengo the best place to buy Bitcoin? Let's break it down. Zengo is your all-in-one crypto wallet, simple enough for beginners, yet powerful enough for pros. With Zengo, you can access your portfolio anytime, anywhere. Buy, trade, send, or receive crypto with no limits and no hidden fees. Your assets are protected with next-generation keyless security using MPC, 3-factor authentication, and facial recognition. Lost your device? No worries. Zengo's effortless recovery ensures you'll always regain access to your wallet and funds. And if you ever need help, real support agents are available directly in the app 24/7. Now let's move on to the frequently asked questions. Here, we'll cover the most common questions from our community and give you clear answers. Is it legal to buy Bitcoin, BTC, in India? Yes, investors can buy Bitcoin from government-registered exchanges in India. Bitcoin, BTC, is allowed in India, and you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency within the framework of existing regulations. Is it safe to buy Bitcoin on Zengo? Yes, Zengo uses advanced MPC security, biometric recovery, and verified payment providers to ensure a secure and seamless experience. Can I buy Bitcoin, BTC, on Zengo without verification? No. Zengo partners with regulated providers, so ID verification, KYC, is required to comply with legal and anti-money laundering, AML standards. Can I buy Bitcoin, BTC under 18? Zengo works with purchasing partners who are regulated and compliant and follow the AML and KYC rules. You must be at least 18 years old and provide a valid ID to verify your identity and age before you can buy Bitcoin, BTC, or any other crypto assets. How long does it take to buy Bitcoin, BTC on Zengo? Purchase is complete within a few minutes, depending on the payment method, and your Bitcoin will appear in your wallet almost immediately. Thanks for watching. Start your crypto journey with Zengo today. Download the app and subscribe to our channel for more guides and updates.